All right, so we're downstairs in my basement. We're gonna clean because it is a mess down here. It's actually really embarrassing because it just goes to show that my mind really is all over the place. Like, I haven't gotten rid of all of my Christmas stuff, which I will today. Upstairs, I did get rid of a lot of my Christmas stuff. Not rid, but like to put away. And I never finished because I got tired and I went to sleep. So now I have a mess upstairs, but I'm not able to bring everything downstairs because all of the storage bins and stuff are so unorganized, and it's just a mess in that room. So I have to take everything out and reorganize everything in that room before I start putting things away. Does that make sense? I think that's how my mind works. Like, if I put clothes away, I have to do the whole thing instead of just putting it away, if that makes sense. I don't know. While I'm doing that, I have to do laundry, which is all over that floor because I throw my laundry down the stairs because it's 2 floors. Sometimes I don't feel like going downstairs right away, so I just throw it down the stairs, but then guess what? I forget that it's there. And it's a really bad habit of mine. It's actually really not a good habit. My kids are arguing upstairs. If you hear that, just ignore it. But yeah, it's a really bad habit of mine, and I need to like figure out something because it's annoying. I really want to finish laundry this week. I don't want to have any laundry. That way we can start at a clean slate. Everyone's going to be bringing down their own laundry baskets. It's going to be a whole new thing. We're going to have a whole new system because I need help. And yeah, I just need help. I also left my control down here. My dog ate it because she eats everything. Let me go get my... This is stressing me out. Oh, I'm back. Let me sit on this beanbag real quick. Oh, oh my God. I just know, oh my God, I'm already psyching myself out with this cleaning right now. Does anyone else do that? Like, I am just like, look, I'm over here yapping. Like, girl, get up. Get up. But I'm like, I have to start making dinner. I'm about to tell my man to make dinner. First of all, my bag. Oh my God, these kids just eat everything. They are savages. Eating all my stuff. Oh, I found one chocolate. I need this little chocolate. Alright. What is this? Trash. There's already clean clothes, so I do have to take them out and fold them, and I think I'm going to do that over there on that table over there. Having a big family, like, you would have to do so much damn laundry. I need to bend down. I have a really bad hip right now, and I'm scared to go to the doctor because I'm scared they're going to tell me I have to get surgery or something. Argue. Be quiet. Or go to your room and read a book. My back already hurts. So stuff that goes upstairs, I put it on the stairs. This is stuff that pisses me off about cleaning, is all the bending. All the bending down drives me bonkers. So the way that I clean, I just put all the toys in one area because I'm going to be taking out all of those bins over there. In that storage room, I might use one of those bins for now to just store all the toys because I think I need to get like one of those toy organizers. Until I do that, I'm just gonna have to put it in a bin. I'm really not trying to overthink it because I'm the type of person that's like, oh, but no, I want to paint and I want to do this. No, I'm just gonna put all the toys in a bin. I'm gonna put all the toys in one corner, and slowly but surely we'll get this basement together. But it will still be good enough that the kids can play. I'll do laundry little by little. Right now, I'm focused on putting all the Christmas stuff away. But one thing I'm about to do is, and I do every year for years, is keep the bags. Unless they are broken, I keep all gift bags because I'm not about to be spending money on gift bags. This, I don't know what I want to do with this. I don't know if I like it anymore. I could probably leave it down here. Oh, I could have kept this. Nah. Now you doing too much, girl. Now you doing too much. There is a candy thing on my tree. These kids, man. This was on the tree, look it. And then they go put it back. I love having kids, but sometimes, ooh, piss me off. Piss me off so bad sometimes. That people like, why are you doing this to me? Okay, we do have these stools. My mom got me new stools for Christmas. So these are no longer upstairs. These will be down here. We do need to get, or maybe make a little table vibe. So that's coming next. My man will do that. I'm not doing that. All right, this is our, look at it, can't even open. Oh my God. Look at all this stuff. There's more stuff over here. Like, that's a lot of shit. And this is like me. Like, honestly, a lot of this stuff you don't even need. So I don't care. I'm going to get rid of it. Don't hate me, girl. I forgot to record me taking out the bins and going through the bins because, let me tell you, it took me like almost 2 hours. All that stuff to the side are things that I'm just going to throw away. I don't have any more black bags, so I had to go get more bags, but then my man ended up cleaning it up at the end of the day, which is a plus for me. I'm putting all the toys in this black bin until I get a toy organizer that I like and that will fit for my family. And, you know, just kind of color code, have everything clean. But this is what it looks like so far, and I can't wait to do a big renovation. At this point, I was very upset because I wanted to make some rice, chicken, and beans, and my kids wanted sopa. So I was a little in my feelings, I'm not gonna lie, because it's like I was worried they wasn't gonna eat it, but they ate it up. Because, you know, I did it the Dominican way. I put lime, I put a little bit of picante, I put cilantro, some papa, always hits. I'm gonna drop a recipe one of these days, but this is so yummy when you want to zhuzh up some ramen. I'm shocked that you're eating it, I'm not gonna lie. Me? The potato's so good. Have you tried the potato? Because the potato soaks up all the flavor. Mm-hmm.
Daisy, guess what? I love dipping crackers.
You like dipping the crackers?
Mm-hmm.
Say hi.
Hi.
You love me?
Of course, babe. Come on.
Can I pick this though?
No, that's an ingrown. Don't pick that.
Oh, my baby. She wanted the huggies. The sweetest girl in the world is Layla.
She used to be the sweetest girl.
I love that girl. My baby.
I love that girl. I love that girl. I just love
Your mom said she was calling you earlier.
Yeah. I called her back. She's bringing some stuff from BJ's.
Yeah.
Can I just say, my son is literally the sweetest thing. He saw me struggling with this damn chair, and he just decided to go and help me. He is so cute, my baby. I love him. You just throw it. Alright, so kitchen is clean. Since it's only 6 o'clock right now, I am not going to be doing the dishes. I am going to be figuring out what we're going to eat for a dessert or like a little snack before bed. But I'm actually going to go sit down and relax and like plan my life on my phone. Y'all see my TV? My TV, we got our floors fixed, and my TV, I think the guy did something to it, and now it's looking like that. We're still using it until we get another TV, but then I'm like, I don't even know if I want a TV here, so. Anyways. Layla, come say goodnight to everyone. So I am gonna end this vlog here. I know it's not perfect. We're gonna work through it. It's gonna be a daily vlog situation.
love you guys.
Yes. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like these videos, let me know what you want to
Like
see.
and comment and share your butter.
1, 2, no. 1, 2, 3. Bruh.
You do this.
Okay, ready?
Bye.
Ay, qué lindo.
What's it? 3.
1. Let it come, baby.
No, come.
1, 2, 3. Bruh.
1.
Bruh.
Ow,
Zoe, let's go.
No, you made her.
Zoe.
No, that was a break.
Say bye.